In this video, we are going to talk about how you can load your website in just 1 second or maybe even less than that. So if you want to load your website fast and get some very good score in websites like GT Metrics, then this video is for you. Now I'm sure you understand that it's very important that your website loads really fast so that the user who is trying to access your website won't bounce back. And if your website is fast, it's also a very important ranking factor for Google. And in order to achieve this fast loading website, there are few steps that you can follow. So let's start with number 1, and that is getting a decent hosting. Now everything starts from the core, and the core of website is the place where it's hosted. And if that is not right, then there is no use of any other optimization to make your website fast. If your website is your sole business, then make sure you invest in a premium hosting. And if you can't, then at least invest in a shared hosting from a reputed company. And if you do that, then trust me, most of your problems with speed or performance of your website will get sorted out automatically. And once you got the right hosting company, then we can move on to the step number 2, and that is using premium themes and plugins. Now I'm considering that you are using WordPress for creating your business website. And in that, make sure you only use the premium themes and plugins. And of course, make sure you stay away from all the cheat codes and cheat themes and plugins. You won't be able to get anything good out of it, but will surely get malwares and hackers attack. And forget about the website speed for sure. And then comes the point number 3, that is using a content delivery network. Now, if in case your website is getting traffic from all over the world, then make sure you have a content delivery network, that is CDN. And you can of course use the free service of Cloudflare, but I would highly recommend, if you can invest, then make sure you invest in a paid service or a premium service of content delivery network. And that again will be really helpful for getting a good speed. And then comes the point number 4, and that is using a good caching plugin. Now for this one, you can surely go ahead and use a free plugin. For a beginning website, you can easily work around with that. We have already created a video where we covered how you can get 100 out of 100 score on Google Page Speed, and in that we have used super fast cache. So you can use that plugin as well, or there are various other caching plugins that you can use. And then comes the final and the 5th point, that is investing in a performance plugin. Now this one is something that you should only choose a premium plugin. And once again, as we mentioned in our previous video, we use Perf Matters plugin, and that is going to change the game for you. With all the optimization available in these premium plugins, you can easily boost up your speed and take it below 1 second as well. And just to show you an example, this is one of our website which is loading in less than 1 second by using these 2 caching as well as the Perf Matter plugin. So this is how you can follow these few basic steps, and I'm sure you will be able to load your website in less than 1 second. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.